Oh, it's nerd out time! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Knowledge rules! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Juice!
Testnet, testnet, testnet. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, we'll get this one of these days. Testnet, testnet, testnet. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, we'll get this one of these days. All NYC, good now? Yeah. Shout out to Phoenix, how you doing? Unbelievable news, let's go. Is that a juicer? We'll find out. Yeah, Twitch and 24/7s keep getting rugged on the nerd intro. Shout out to Buzz. We'll get it. YouTube has low sound. How's the Twitch sound? Testing. Testnet. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. Shout out to Damon, thank you. Fibception, how we doing? Play it again? Yeah, I think we need to play it again. Let's go. Probably break everything by doing it.
It's Mandalo.
Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Knowledge rules! Mandalo, it's
Omaha, Omaha. F5, F5, F5. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Sound on. Yes. Check, 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 check. Happy Wednesday. Yeah, this nerd video is dope, but it is a kachoy. I don't think it's a video, though. There's something going on. Something strange here. Oh, my agger. Who wants a big screen or who wants agger? It's nice to have it. I guess it's some kind of action in like 4-hour charts. Good morning. Thank you, Danny Balat. I was like, yeah, let's go, Danny. He juicing, he juicing, he juicing, he juicing. Thank you so much for the gift subs. If you were just blessed by a gift sub from your boy, Danny Balat, he juicing, he's spreading the love. Thank you, man, Danny. Every single day. Rain or shine, he juicing, and he's sharing his generosity with all of us. Thank you so much, brother. You want to see any charts, Danny? Let's get it. Good morning, Hayblade. Curvies, JV, Burbeezy, Bergix, To I Am Nothing, EEC, Ghosted G, Damon, let's go. Thanks, brother. Shout outs PSG. PSG, stand up. Chicken Milkshake, Latisse, how we doing? How we doing? How we doing? So Guru. Yeah, dude. It's a big catchoy. Glitch. I know. Big dog. Can't have anything fun. I know. That's why we can't have nice things. Justin True. Woo. Gamer girl, let's go. Copy. Calling noob. Yeah, I had a bunch of iPads on, and then we're just tanking them all. Pedro, happy 420. That boy Houston. D, KIMBA AI. Shouts to YouTube. Rada. Shouts to Buzz on that video. Don't be mad at me. No, that video is funny. It's hilarious. I love it. Big cheers. Yeah, there's some like something with the server. I don't know, dudes. What I do know is good morning to Carlos Rada. Unbelievable news. Burbeezy over there in YouTube and Cage Wheezy. And Bobby Tyson Pedals, shout outs to you. Putting in the time over there. Appreciate you. Shout outs to CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise in the chat. Yeah, I think there still might be a little bit of the free trials left. Give them a shot. Yeah, it's the indicators that we're using on the away screen, and I think it's all the indicators that I have on my chart right now. And yeah, it's juice. It's juice. We've been loving it. Been loving it. Big cheers to CoinWise. Yeah, they still have their trials. Exclamation CoinWise. And I think that they still have their promotional discount going on for the Lions. Yeah, check out the Discord. I think it's Wise Lions as the checkout code. Something like that, but double check that with the Discord. And then, as always, check the stream schedules. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. After that, we have Friday. And then we have the weekend. 6 Sierra. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my gosh. Thank you so much, 6 Sierra. Big cheers. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Wow. Really Lions spreading the love today. If you are blessed by a sub from Six Sierra, Dana Balot this morning, show some love in the chat for these beautiful Lions. Let's get it. Let's get it. Thank you so much, Six Sierra. Much love. Much love. You want to see anything in here? You want me to chart anything? Jamaica, thank you for the resub. My goodness. My goodness. Get your umbrellas out. Six Sierra is making it rain. Danny Bolot making it rain. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Maybe Band-Aid. Let's go. Thank you, brother. Cockney's juicing. Good morning, Satoshi. Toddler, let's go. Tigrin. Flank Sinatra. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see if we can get the stream playlist going. You get music? Soul. We want to see Soul. We're going to see ETH. We're going to see Biddy. We had a little clean. Not all the lows, but the local ones. And ETH. 886er, stand up. I think I know one person that might have juiced on some 886. Let's see hype also, JV. 886 gang, stand up. Let's go, Six Sierra. Six Sierra is a big ETH enjoyer. Let's get it. Yeah, it's juicing too. That was a nice reaction. A little bit stronger reaction on Biddy, but still a nice little clean of all this. Yeah. We got music? Okay, Damon. He vibing. Manaka, let's go. Juicers. Vladimir, let's go. Big cheers. Kamsky juicing up. Get those Hermes umbrellas out. Shadow by 80. Not away from keyboards. Yeah. Let's get a yeah. Fibba Jesus. Who juicing? Who juicing? G Jones, how we doing? Satoshi Toddler. Big shout outs to the team. Big shout outs to all the mods, admins, and developers. Big cheers to KIMBA. S. Vladimirs. Let's go. Big cheers to you. Thank you, brother. Look at what you guys started this morning. I'm gonna hype on this train. Let's go. Speed tricks. Insistence. Yeah. Maybe Band-Aid is going again. He wants to get some cool emotes, right? Yeah, if you just juiced up on a new emote, share them in the chat. Let's get it. Blaze Alec. Insistence, let's go. Yeah. Let's see, market open, 10 minutes. Get your predictions in too. Exclamation dashboard for our schedule. Looks around, says like, no, it's just for the fam. Yeah. Let's go, maybe Band-Aid. Big cheers. Much love to PSG. Maybe Band-Aid and A1 over there. Yeah, if you guys aren't grinding, if you're wondering what's going on, you know, we're doing everything that we possibly can to help out with the Lions, but PSG is putting in the time all day, every day. Let's go. JV, big cheers. Thank you. Thank you. Is this the breakout that we were all anticipating? We got bad highs above us. Bad. Bad. Yeah, and really not gonna be like, we planned for this, we planned for this, we talked about this. This is the line in the sand. We need to start closing above our levels. Starting to break structure. Even with that wick, it is a higher low. So things could be looking good. We're starting to make locally higher highs. Let's get above this. And CBD has the potential of cooperating. Yeah, if it rolls over, that's hidden bearish. Yeah, and EXO is not really, there's room to go on EXO as well. Bergix, choo choo, toot toot. Yeah. Yeah, any of you that have like little kids, you know that they're like tooting, they pass a lot of gas. We call baby Mandalo a little toot toot train. Yo, 8 years, bro. Let's go. As Vladimir, thank you. No, gritty good. I know, JV. I know. That thing is hard to get, isn't it? Vanai, how are you? Vanya. Liam. Yeah. 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 Yeah, that was a little nice, little clean. $1.25. Let's go over to E for your boy Six Sierra. They're trying to do some homework on what happened with Nerd Time. What y'all think of that song? Yeah, you gotta shoot your shot, right? Where is that song? Dude, these playlists, there's like 200 songs in them, and there's like 25 playlists. I've looked through them for a couple of the songs that I really want to hear, and I still haven't found a couple of them. Excuse me. Too much juice. Big shout out to the dev team, production. Yeah, this is a spaceship. I've talked about that before. They got a spaceship and I'm used to like riding a horse. Hoppa hoppa. Kimba's away for a little bit. He's been away for a couple weeks now. We're holding it down best we can. Fredward, I haven't seen you in a minute. How we doing? Buzzo sharing the gritty goose. Let's go. Yeah, that emote is goated. Hit him with the goose. Yeah, he'll be back soon. Yeah, I'm sure that he is like, I'm not gonna say rolling in his grave, but cringing seeing me fuck up the Kimba stream. He's like, oh man, I gave you this nice Bugatti and you're fucking throwing your McDonald's bags all over it. Right? I haven't spoken with him this week, Token Tickler, but he is alive. Yeah, and secondhand, I have heard word that he's doing well. Yeah, IRL stuff going on. Yeah, the highlights, the rewinds. Yeah, the streams have been shorter, but we've been juicing, we've been identifying levels. Yeah, check out the dashboard as well. So check out the YouTube, !YouTube. Check out the Discord. A lot of conversation about this. You know, there was speculation that we had a coup. There was speculation that Kimba sold the stream. Dude, if Kimba wanted to sell this stream, there's no way that we could afford it. BNB, please. I do like this song. BNB. Yeah, we're gonna go ETH first. For your boy Six Sierra, much love, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you, Danny. Thanks to all the Hype Train people. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You have a few minutes for your candle predictions too, for market open. Get that in. Get a little play.
I'm patient, I'm waiting, I'm feeling the wave. Got the feeling that it's fine, gonna break. I know that the prophets want me here right now.
Look at that. ETH on Coinbase. I mean, not like we're grabbing a bunch of liquidity with this. There is, but it's not like people are getting liquidated. And it's no lower low on Binance or anything, but maybe on CME. They keep doing this during the night, don't they? Outside of RTH? Is this a Wicked Destiny? I don't know. Yeah, I can imagine there's some stop losses down here. And this was like a microscopic sweep of the level. I would not call that a sweep. Yeah, who doesn't love conspiracies, Manaka? I know PSG, we love to talk about them. Dude, there's been some late nights that we've gone into some crazy things. Yeah. Yeah. What happened to YouTube? YouTube's still going on. Jamaica. Exclamation YouTube. Yeah, there hasn't been any Kimba streams to make highlights with. CoinWise took Kimba out. No, please don't blame them for that. I think Kimba was like, CoinWise is so Gucci that y'all don't need me anymore. Check out the indicators. They're fucking sick. We've been juicing on them. Look, we got a full rotation play. Almost. And we did in Bitcoin. Yeah, our targets for ETH, we need to clear out of this consolidation, start closing above previous value area high, and things are looking a lot better. We identified a few targets above, but really the 4268, 4300 area is somewhere that needs to get reclaimed. Yeah, and we even talked about kind of bouncing up a little bit and trading into this zone, maybe previous month VWAP, previous month point of control, that kind of region. And a little pullback to retest if it is able to make it out. This is a nice liquidity grab right here. That was a big clean on perps. And we're holding the zone for now. This is the 886 retracement. Pretty nice. Yeah, and reclaimed our point of control, previous day point of control, previous day value area. That was pretty nice as well. Yeah, this is previous day value area low right here. Get above previous day point of control. Previous day VWAP is right here. So we'll see. S&P, everything has to cooperate. We got a big morning tomorrow. Every day is a big day. Every day is a Super Bowl up in here. $911. Yeah. Oh, you're talking about conspiracy theories? Uppa Hoppa. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Ash Crypto, good morning. Yeah, saludos. Carlos. Nico, let's go. Copy types of pedals. Yeah. Fred 007. SMP, help me, Jupy, hedge fund manager. How are we doing? Yeah, we need to get it outside this value area. We don't have everything hidden, so that's good. Yeah, still holding volume point of control. A little rotation. We need to get outside of that. Really, I like outside of value area, outside previous state value area. That's going to look a lot stronger Yeah, start making like some substantial higher highs, and that will look nice for ETH.
It's been 3 years, I ain't been the same. Glow up, no chain. Patience is my name. Zone doing his thing.
I'll just make my way down to, yeah. Reclaiming 1,000 on BNB. Cleaned up a little bit yesterday. That was weak retest on the prior resistance. Almost to the pixel. Behave line.
Useless lines, records. I said,
Yeah,
whole lot of
963.
damn juice. Quit playing with me.
Music down, mic up.
KIMBA gang, who juicing gang, PSG gang, KIMBA gang.
How's the sound to mic ratio now? Is the music too low? Let's go, Twitch and Greg. Good morning. Big cheers, Buzzo. Thanks, Housty. Yeah, Jamaica, get caught up. No worries. Yeah, I've been trying to hold it down best I can. You see that I'm a boomer when it comes to technology, but we've been really juicy with our levels, haven't we? And CoinWise has been really helping out as well. You know, I used to spend like an hour every night marking levels from previous day, and now it's like, dude, that's 7 hours a week that I'm getting back for myself. Ding, 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 ding. Latisse, thank you. It's too good now. Can't focus on the trades. Yeah. Focus up, Lahoosk. Lahas, let's go. Yeah, Red Zero. No KIMBA stream. It's okay. It's okay. He'll be back, and we're going to juice up until then. You know how proud he's going to be when he comes back and you guys are juicing? That means that he has really done a great job at preparing you. Any perps? No. Nope. I was waiting for the clean down on the like the 109.9. Yep. Yeah, but it is clean. If we break out from here, I'm gonna definitely be looking for pullbacks. Yeah, we'll get over to the S&P in a minute. If we are able to break out from here, we're just making like lower lows through all this. So my confidence in like nightly lower lows. How many of you have been, I mean, that's nice, but then it's just like, oh, every fucking night you get cleaned up and just stopped out for like break even or something. And it's like, dude. And then every time you're like missing the reclaim. That's like 1 in the morning for me. I'm not waking up in the middle of the night for that. I'll take the retest. 3 drive? Kind of. Yeah, and that's, I mean, it is a higher low. See in the hourly. That's looking alright in the 4 hour. We just need to get above this. How's the big gammas looking? Still that 67.05. Let me was it 66.75 maybe? I have to open up my my boomer one. 30, so it's looking okay when we come back. Yeah, I'll make my way over to Seoul in a minute. Let's see the boomer market open. Ooh wee. Yeah, gap up. Is it dip the tip? Are we trading back in that RTH gap again? Equal low on ETH, likely to get taken out. Yeah, but on perps it wasn't. It wasn't an equal low. So they've been chipping away at that. Any Soul VWAP longers, Tia Goog? Daily VWAP? Weekly's been pretty nice to us lately, hasn't it? Yeah, the whole streams, we're only like 2 hours. Yeah, go to the dashboard for our schedule too. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a big day. We have GDP, unemployment, and then we have a another talent show viewing party. It's gonna be juice, and then we cooked up something real nice that's coming up in the near future. I'm pretty excited about it. Really, I'm always excited about hearing what the community makes, but this time it's different. This time is different. So anybody that were here last night kind of got a hint at it, but I think we're gonna do a mods talent show, not to take away from the community at all, but just to juice up the community and get some laughs out of it. What do you guys think about that? I think it'd be a lot of fun. Yeah, they've been moving it big on nights, haven't they, Tyler? Yeah, it's like respecting our levels, but it still is, you know, hella annoying. You know how it goes. All right, let's check Soul. Yeah, Boo Gammas. Well, I'll go over to index first, and then we'll go over. Yeah, you can maybe fill some of the inefficiency. I don't know. They might fill the gap first on index. It's a bad low down there as well. A couple of bad lows. And that doesn't mean it's all over. See, that's okay. Kind of started holding this. It's like a point of control through here. Got previous value before that next leg up. Let's see. Yeah, before the breakout. Quit hoeing. It's a good song. This song is juice. Shout outs GG Gesher. Let's go. Wiztard. Fredward. Victor La Ninja. Yeah, big shout outs to Six here. Big shout outs to Danny Bolat. Big shout outs to everyone. Everyone. That was a hype train this morning already. Let's go. Oh, it's showing it. It's just not showing much of it. Yeah, previous that consolidation value area high. right here. So I move my box up 75 cents. Not too bad. Not too bad there. Then we gotta do the same thing up at the highs. Let's say up here. Maybe this one from our impulse. Come on. Yeah, some of it, there's some monthly options, weekly and whatnot. Like the big ones was last week. But we still have some things on Friday. Still have some things on Biddy coming up on Friday morning. 8 UTC. Deribit. I don't know what the tally is up to now, but it's pretty high. Yeah, what you guys think about the Mods Talent Show? I think that'd be hilarious. Burbeezy, have a great workout. Big cheers, brother. Thanks for being here. Yeah, Buzzo. Dude, I think that you got it. Yeah. I don't know, Husty. Husty's got a lot of talent. Cage has a lot of talent. I don't know if he's going to do it. He's like, man, I'm too busy. I don't want to make Mandalo look bad. Paul, how we doing? Bit Phantom, how you doing? Good morning, good morning. Based. Sorry for the flashbang. I'm gonna have to pull it off because I forget how to get to the screen that I want to show you. Flow. Oh, there we go. I messed it up. I broke it. Options. It's easier from the Levitas page. This one's just like usually easier to there we go. It's in metrics. What day is the expiry? The 26th? Yeah. Oh, some people have been closing. It was like 18 billion, it's 17 billion now. That's notional though. Buzz, Checkster. I know, Fred Word, my bad. Bruh, it's me. How we doing? Nah, Buzzo. I think you got this. Bratoya. Yeah, what kind of vibes you guys want to hear from the mods? You want country vibes? Mine's gonna be like, you remember that like old Western song? 3.2 for, oh wait, no, 5.5? That's not bad. That's pretty big for ETH actually. It's usually like 2 or 3. Soul. 20 million. And nobody plays Deribit Soul. Sorry guys. I'm done with this. Yeah, Pixel on Litecoin from yesterday. Let's go. You have a clip of it? Buzz. Let's get it. Alright, we're gonna close this. At least the gap in the gap. Yeah, let's see Buzz's Litecoin. He's juicing. He juicing. What were we talking about? Like 102 on LTC? Dude, this thing is yeah, we said clean that. Yeah, these need to adapt. You know, one way that you don't have to continue off of a low, you don't have to continue changing your little fixed ranges. And it's pretty cool when you do it. I was like started saying it yesterday. You can have them continue to extend right. Yeah, and just like wicked outside. Held this. And then the depth right there. It was probably golden pocket. Or was it? Pretty close. Little front run. Yeah, it's like value area low. Let's just see it for extension purposes. Yeah, that's nice, Buzz. Yeah, you probably had this as invalidation because that wick was just so deep. You're aiming for the lows to get swept? Golden pocket KIMBA box. Yeah. Yeah, and making higher highs. Higher highs, higher lows. Just don't let this be a flag. Yeah, not perfect. But I mean, if you're already in something, you're like, hell, let's just like let it keep going like this until we get to like 120.
KIMBA gang made another one.
Juice on me now. Levels got me floating. Yeah. Juice. One tick, two. Let it come through. Silence loud. That's the sound. Math gon' hold me down.
Yeah, we'll see what Biddy does. I was trying to fix a playlist. Get something a little fresh for us. Grimes, let's go. Buzzo, good morning. How are we doing? You talking about this? This like little failed auction, the rollover. Yeah, bugs. You need to get outside of this. Really need to get inside like that 110 area. That'll be a lot nicer. Yeah, but that probably will be a little bit of resistance up there. If it grinds up to that, be careful of like a little clean and roll over. But you know, kind of spending some time here establishing some value, so it's setting up for a retest if it is able to reclaim, you know, boop boop. Fufa. AVAX juiced up, and it did clean. When did it clean? Oh, it was like right after we got off. Just barely. On perps at least. I was making my way to Seoul, but I saw AVAX first. Right to that single print. Yeah, conditions were met for a 80% play. Trade outside, come back in. Held the 32. We talked about the possibility of cleaning these right here, and it was like kind of a failed auction reject. Looks like it was rejection for PDEQ. Pretty close to it. PDEQ previous date VWAP. Right off the open. Rollover held weekly VWAP. Pretty nice. Yeah, that was kind of like, if it wasn't that, it probably would have been somewhere down here like 32, 32 or naked pointing control. Right at $32. Yeah, and then these lows are no good. Hopefully, you know, you guys keep juicing. AVAX is strong. Exclamation, we strong. Yeah, Latisse. Yeah, nice, nice. You got some juice, right? You had a little bit of a rocky start to the week. I'm glad to hear that you are juicing. I don't even remember what this was from. What was that? Delete the line. I don't know what the heck that is. Clean this. Barely. It's kind of like ETH. The structure on ETH, you had that real deep pullback. It flushed out a lot. And then holding the zone. Yeah, still making higher lows, higher high up until this. We'll see what if we're able to get outside of there. Yeah, reclaim that 290. You see that for all three of these days now, it's like almost the exact same value area high. So collectively, it's around here for value area high. And yeah, probably your next resistance is going to be up around monthly VWAP in the single print. Unless it's just like a little fufa. And this, like, people were like buying that hard. Like, oh, it nuked, let's get it. Oh, fudge. Manaka. Yeah, working back. Let's go, Latisse. Slowly but surely. AVAX goes to $58 though, and like that'll help. Yeah, I know people are gonna want to see Tau. Oh my. Yeah, Soul Strength is not exactly here right now, but it did clean finally. And it looks like it's trying to get back inside. We need to get back above 220. And now you're running into the resistance of all of the consolidation from yesterday. So up until we lost it. How am I able to see that before I draw the profile? Get back inside there. That's like a positive sign. Really, we need to get back up here above the 220. And that was like an important level. 210 is okay. And it cleaned it. It cleaned it. That was like a local, like, weak area on the move up. Any deeper and that would have been a little bit hairier, because this is not the greatest. right around 199 to 200, and then you have to like throw that into the mix also. Like $3, and you have a whole lot of liquidity there, and I can imagine there's a lot of liquidity just below it here. I mean, like, you need to make higher highs. You need to make higher highs because there's a lot of like these weak lows all the way down to like really even below this. That's not even good down there. So yeah, you go in the 4-hour chart and it's like pretty clear. Ugh. I'm gonna go in the 12-hour. I think that makes everything hide. No. Come on. Sorry. I'm trying to do it without turning indicators off. Yeah, it's kind of coming back to this like bullish retest question mark up until the impulse. Yeah. There's a argument to be made for bouncing here for sure. Just need to start making some highs now. So that's kind of daily open would be a nice place to reclaim to get started. Rotate up to 220. I'm not predicting the future. I'm telling you what you need to look for the bulls. For the bears, I mean, it just needs to roll over. You just keep making lower lows. There's room for divergences on CBD. And it's not like you have a whole lot of it's not like really, really heavy shorts. It's not that much. For the whole move from where we broke out. Shout out to CoinWise. These indicators are really, really nice. Mr. Mooncake, let's go. Thank you for the resub. Yeah, ex-cognitive. It's pretty oversold. Yeah. Yeah, this one's looking more like a 3 drive than any of the others that we've looked at so far. I'd like to see it, start reclaiming up here. Maybe push up against that one more time, and so like push up in this area, come up, like do something like that, and then you're holding that, and it'll look a lot more like a trident then. And then you have a lot of liquidity to clean on this push. There. And then really you're going to start triggering stops. And that doesn't mean that it's all over or that the selling is over, but that's a pretty solid move. Even if that's it. And then we've already talked about up above. You really need to just get up to 2 for all-time high. It's so far away, but turning 220 into support is important. What was that candle on the open?
Useless lines records ho.
Green, was it green on Binance? Yeah, the low is good. GG. VWAP from 155. That's your anchor from the low lows. That's nice. 5 minutes, it was green. Eight 618 618. Yeah, just think when Biddy's trading at $1 million, we're gonna be like, oh man, maybe it'll pull back to the 618,000. That's not that nice of a 30-minute candle for the open. Let's go over to our boomer charts. Well, it filled the gap on index. How's it looking on the old ES? Yeah, might clean this. Kind of makes a lot of sense, the little retest of the 6,700. It's fine for it to just go though. And holding the golden pocket for now. Little KIMBA box. Who got filled on the KIMBA box on that? XLR, shouts to you, brother. 38 months. My goodness. My goodness. Big shouts to you, brother. Who was here yesterday when we were talking about it? Some I don't remember who was like, oh, that's a RTH. Who was like, would you take a short here on ES? And it was like here. It was like there. And I was like, oh man. Yeah, it's weak on both sides. Do you remember that? And I was like, man, don't be a Bart. Don't be a Bart. Y'all know what I'm talking about? There's just nothing holding it up, and that's like in it moved up during ETH, or yeah, ETH, I think. Fast forward it. Blech. It looks kind of like a Batman too, but that's a Bart for sure. And then this is Kachoy. Look at that, it just like sat parked there too. They might want to clean some things up. Yeah, Bart Simpson. Yeah, right when like the stream was getting started with KIMBA back in like 22, that was Bart season, big time. Y'all remember that? It was like every couple days we got Barts on Bitcoin, and some of them were just marges. So instead of a Bart, they were like super skinny with her hair. Yeah, they were Kachoys. This is a perfect song to like back it up. Yep, that's the Batman. Yeah, it was insane in the bear market Monday. Forever Barts. We did it around the like the 27K range for a little while also. And we traded there for like 6 months. When was that? In 23? Oh, the buyback. We're holding. We're holding. Juice after that hourly. Yeah, was it a swing fail? It was. Look, I changed it to purple. Shoutouts Coinwise. Lost settlement. Look for the retest. But it's holding for now, so like this is bad. This is what you call a test drive, possibly. Oh, it's because of that one. What? No. I think I haven't like set up every one of my charts with all of the there, that's a little better. I really want the TPO set up on it. Oh, I don't want to extend. A background would actually probably be nice on that. Oh, it is on there. Is it? Oh, there. It was just coming. It's a little bit dark. So today's value area, previous day value area, if it were to reclaim and turn this into support, I would look for resistance in like the 67.35 area. I don't remember why we drew this box. Need to clean this if it were to come down. And look at that, naked pointing control grab. MPOC, single prints, and that single print is holding. You don't see that too often. Trading into it and not closing it. It did not completely close it. It almost did. Yeah, about like $1. I think my tick size is too big. Let's go, calling noob. Shout outs to YouTube, exclamation YouTube, exclamation dashboard, exclamation Coinwise. Let's go. Yeah, they got some cool things going on over there, making some really sick indicators. Love it. $40 AVAX Busalo. We already charted AVAX. We were talking about it. It swept at 36. Buzzo, shoutouts to you. You found that? I said it. I need to see that. I'm not gonna pull it up on stream. I'm just curious. I'm actually watching it. No clean on either end. That's tight. Well, I mean, it's not that tight. Yeah, it is. It's like $10 for how long? Is it gonna be a BART? Shoutouts Buzz. I don't know if you heard that, but yeah, he sniped it. Big cheers, brother. Yeah. So I didn't say please don't be a BART. I said, is it gonna be one? That's funny. I was in a meeting when it all like started nuking, and I didn't have the charts open. I opened it up after the meeting was over, and I was like, oh my god, dude! I even said it on stream. Yeah, Monday. It kind of is, right, Fred? Hang in there, y'all. We're planning. Yeah, big cheers, Cage. Exclamation Latuche. Yeah. All right. So you have our levels to the downside, levels to the upside on ES. We kind of have our game plan on CME. Bullish gap, holding it for now. Not great lows. It basically closed the old gap when we opened up inside of it. We need to get above this. Start trading into the gap further. Monthly VWAP's going to be maybe a little resistance. Kind of talked about this being potential resistance also. And then we get above that. I would say probably I think if it got all the way up to here, they're just going to close it. Yeah, if they turn this into support, it'll close the gap at least. I don't know about that upper gap. And that's not the greatest high up there. You know, you need to start changing structure down here. Yeah, it could be some fireworks for the second half of the week into the monthly close. Monthly close is on Tuesday, isn't it? Doing good, Cage. Thanks, brother. How are you doing? Yeah, I was up late working. I'm tired. I'm just like trying to finish some things. Yeah, working on a like kind of a headache project. You doing all right? You get some brekkie? This has made me a nice little brekkie this morning. Get in from the retest on that single print. Down here? Yeah, probably would like close the whole gap if we got down there. Oh man, I'm sorry, I forgot, dude. Are you feel worse or better than yesterday? Oh, that sucks, dude. Are you off the Latuche until that goes away? Maybe gummies? Shout out to gummies. They keep the Latuche enjoyers happy even when they're sick. You know, that's a good way to sleep it off, I think. I don't know, dude. I'm not much of a enjoyer these days, but big shout outs to y'all. Alistair, how are you doing? Yeah, we were talking this morning about like how it keeps cleaning up every night. Just not as much, obviously. Yeah, get some gummies or some edibles or something. It's hard to function on that though, I think. Yeah, I hope you feel better, brother. We're gonna hold it down. I know, dude. Alistair. Dude. We're forming bad highs, though. Is that absorption? Just need ES to behave. That doesn't show up as nicely, but I was using purple for something. It shows up a little better with the gap and all that stuff. I need to change the background a little. Let's see. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life we're going up. I'll open the other layout. It's just that one's already marked up and stuff with our levels. The other template. Yeah, Fred. Yeah, big cheers to all the love in the chat. What else are we looking at today? Daily, how are you doing? Justin Hallett. Kimba's on a little hiatus. Justin, he's got some in real life things going on. He'll be back soon. Thanks, brother. Hope all is well for you. Yeah, you got any questions? If you want to see any tickers, we've been charting shit coins all past couple weeks. Yanthro, how are we doing, bud? Good morning. It's a potential trident. Yeah, we kind of entertain that scenario. We were like, it's not very trident looking yesterday, but maybe it'll like do that. Now we have that like kind of FU cleaner, and you know, we just need to like make a higher high, and it's starting to try. Need to get above this, get outside of value area. Yeah, and then if it pulls back, like maybe in this area, value area low. I think that, like, I mean, that's almost like a little channel with like, oh, whoops. Just kidding. But it is resistance above. That's your breakout. Oh my gosh, that's with strength too. Sarcasm. It could be. It could be. Love this song. Let's get a 2 letters, 1 word in the chat. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, we had 600 people in the chat before I came on, and as soon as I came on, it dropped down to 200. So for all you real ones, much love. Keeping it 100 with your boy. Yeah, Daily. Let's go. Tommy's, how you doing? Chab Superstar. Let's go. Cottony Texan. Revs QQ. iPads went offline. I know, dude. They had a update or something. I ran out of batteries. Dang it, Chad Superstar. You're killing me, Smalls. Yeah, Buzzo. I do. A lot of the time. Sato turned off 400 iPads. Sato is like streaming those iPads for his stream though, isn't he? Lee Kwok. Yeah. Oh, y'all are gonna take a drive? Yeah, that's true, Fredward. Probably. Yeah, especially when like I like blow up the Bugatti from the inside. iPad number 69. We need iPad number 420 to join you. Good tech. Let's go. Yeah, Twitch and Greg. Dude, the little violin part is so dope. Uchiha. Fibception. Yeah, Fibception. SMP, help me! We need to break out, Biddy. Oh, did not forget the YouTube gang. Did not. Man like spice, let's go. Kimba's not here, brother. Kimba is away. Catch up on the highlights. Exclamation YouTube. We don't really have that much highlights. We have just streams with me. I've been doing market opens. And we did FOMC last week also. It's been juice. It's been juice. We've been having a lot of fun trying to hold it down. We're definitely not trying to fill his shoes, but trying to make him proud at least. And help out the Lions. Have a good time doing it. Juice in my levels. Yeah, some big things are coming as well. Yeah, some new versions of the game show coming soon. You got a whole team on that one. Game show. Yeah, that's so much fun. And then the talent show. Juice. Get in the Discord, exclamation Discord, and submit your, shoot your shot. Submit your lyrics and see if you can make the cut for the next talent show. We were talking yesterday about possibly getting a talent show competition for the mods too. So like have a little break for the submissions on one of them. Doesn't have to be the next one. But I think there's enough mods that want to take a shot, see how they can do. I've made a couple of songs. I think it's a lot of fun. I don't have time to play with it the way that I'd like to, but it is a lot of fun. And I think that y'all enjoy it if you've never tried it before. Yeah, take a shot. Yeah, and there's juice. There's good prizes. Yeah. Immediately come... We got giveaways! Big giveaways every day. Oh, sorry, dudes. I just ran out of time. We'll do it tomorrow. Just tune in. Get your notifications on. Sorry, dudes. Yep, next time. Kachoya.
KIMBA gang on my shoulders, we ain't folding. Juice dripping heavy, all these moves go.
Cage, are you driving down to the cliffs or are you driving down to the Latuche store? I was like, what's going on here? That single print. Yeah, those single prints maybe. You change the color of this. I don't want the background that it's confusing. We'll make it pink so it's like nice and we want to get into pink, don't we? 100 steps ahead. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You need to start closing up there if we get outside of this. Maybe grab the first one, come back for the retest, and go for the pink. Yes, I am still using Coinalyze, Jamaica. Yeah, that layout has some love in it. Let's just check our XO. Look at that, Bybit, nice and responsible. TP in their longs. Nobody's getting wrecked on the bottom shorts yet. Yeah, not too bad. We do have a little bit of divergence. But the reason I opened this whole thing up was for my Coinalyze. That was a gamble. That was a gamble because I might have been logged out and y'all would have seen my email. I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, what I like to do with the Coinalyze is kind of shrink it, especially when it's like in this format, and then you can kind of see like a little bit nearer term, because it's like so skinny when you have all these. It's Coinbase, Bitfinex, I think Bybit, all of this down below is spot. Seeing the different ones for CVDs. This is the aggregate, aggregate stable coin, aggregate coin margin. Look at that CVD. And this is Binance Perps. Yeah, you got some things coming in down here. I don't know. I'll see if I can open up the Binance chart. I do like the trading view though. Yeah, it'll probably look better if I get outside of that gigantic 1,200 Bitcoin liquidation. Yeah, just a little better. But it's useful. I just like to check it. I especially like to check it when I'm looking for like a little bit of TWAP. You see that real gradual TWAP buying, TWAP selling. You know, the big like spikes or valleys are cool and all, but when you see like one person just like buy, it depends on who you're looking at, but Coinbase or Bitfinex are the ones that I like to look at. Bitfinex doesn't usually do that much volume, but sometimes they will. So it's like Tether or somebody TWAPing. Oh, driving his car game? Yeah, the thing is sick. Yeah, Jamaica, you a Coinalyze enjoyer? Yeah, I got a couple different templates for it. I like this one too. Yeah, I got Trading Light on my other system. One of the other systems that's on. But I've been liking Market Monkey also. The heat maps are juice. Yeah, Trading Light, I mean, they had some hiccups. They're still like struggling on the open interest front and a few other little things, but their heat maps and their interface is just so nice. Yeah, I can't like break away from that. Yeah, I hope they are able to fully recover everything. That power outage was like not Gucci. Yeah, a little something down below. Somebody's bullish. They want to hold it. And they pulled out. You see what we were dealing with yesterday? Nice little walls. None of them were like huge like Benicio Magneto, but they collectively, that was a lot of coins, the bits coins. And then we kind of slammed into this, and I think they got filled. They might have pulled it and then marketed with that increase in volume here. They're like, okay, well we'll let you guys clean it up. Oh, as soon as they came back inside, they're like, bah, market smash. Oh, we want to see hype. I said that I was gonna chart it. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to be able to go as long, especially with tomorrow being an early day. It'd probably be a little bit longer stream. Go to the dashboard, check it out. But we got GDP and unemployment at 8:30 tomorrow, New York time. So what, 12:30 UTC? And I'm going to be here like 15 minutes plus early for that. Get us kind of all set up and prepared, settle in for the release. We'll see what happens. We'll see, like, you know, probably go up until like the first hour of market open afterwards. But I got hella stuff going on. I got like some bad news from the office about going back in sooner than I even thought. So my stream time's gonna be kind of cut back. Kind of cut back. It sucks. Yeah, even after I was kind of like suggesting that like yesterday or the day before, I got an email from the office and they're like, yeah, you need to get your ass back in here. Bitch, I got 3 months off. You're trying to call me back in after like 6 weeks? Real life, it sucks, man. I know, I just need to juice up so I can sit here. It's always going to be more expensive shit, and anybody that like has made any kind of money, doesn't matter if it's like a little juice or a lot of juice, just stuff gets more expensive and you're always like chasing a little bit more. You hear KIMBA is like more, I just want more. It's not even like that for me, but it's like just lifestyle. It's called lifestyle creep, and shit just gets more expensive. Well, you know, you got yourself a house now, like, well, wife needs a new car. Oh, well, we're having another kid, so I need a new car. Need it. I drive like fucking 5 miles a week. Up. Time to get a beach house. Time to get a boat. I'm kidding. But there's always gonna be more shit. And if you know people, even if it's not you, know people in that situation, they're like, oh man, yeah, family's getting a little bigger. I need to get a bigger plane. And no cap. Need to get a bigger plane. Our 8-seater doesn't fit everybody and all our shit now. It's a nice position to be in, right? I know, man, life's bite. Which poor lows? On what asset? Corona. Sui's doing what it needed to. Get above this, the 340. Look at that, that 323. We were even like, yeah, 325, 324. It cleaned it. A lot of things clean. Hype. Is that what you were talking about, man like Spice? It's like a baby clean. Hype is not doing what it needs to. But I guess it's getting back above this. On BTC, it cleaned them. You talking about like over like the 109 area? On ETC, we didn't chart ETC. On BTC, the lows are okay, but at least locally, there's weak lows over at like 109 to 110 area. It's okay to hold it. Hype's okay if we stay outside of value area. We need to get above that previous day point of control. It just cleaned it and rejected from it. Turn this into support. We are above VWAP, that's good. We need to get outside of developing value and turn either previous day VWAP, previous day EQ, and PDPOC volume into support. Really, we're getting inside previous day value area low, so you know, start to move up there. You get the rotation to like the 48 area, but the big number is 50. The big number is 50. You need to get back up there for the whole range reclaim. From kind of the top of where that single print was. And you see that 52 and change area, how it was prior structure. That was pretty important for higher. Yeah, get outside of here. That's a good 4-hour candle though. Look at that thing. That's pretty. I don't even know if I have it on my coins list. I think I removed it. Yeah, I'm gonna be wrapping up here in a minute. Maybe Band-Aid, much love. Big cheers. Let's go. Is that your new emote? That thing's kind of cool. That heart is making it rain. I can't tell. What is it? Bleed purple. Yeah. In HD. CoinWise needs to get one of them. They love their purple. Tau. Looking like a failed auction. You just need a higher high. Yeah, that's the volume profile I was talking about, other than extending. That's the anchor volume profile, y'all. Yeah, I need to get back above 320. 322, claiming that whole range point of control for like from forever ago, I guess. I don't even know where I anchored this. Where is it anchored from? Oh, down here. That's okay. Yeah, that'll be helpful. And it is holding value area low. That was almost to the pixel on our 4 hours closing inside value area. Really, really close. Wick outside. Let's call it responsive. Trade outside, come back in. It's a responsive trade. Nice. That looks pretty good. Bad highs through all of this. Kind of like if you were to draw a trend line, it looks like it's bad highs with the or weakness with the retest after it was broken. That's a good thing too. Pull back. Maybe clean that. That's not great. I started to just look at, because I was thinking about ETC, but dude, I'm not trading ETC. Poor lows on Bitcoin, I don't know. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to leave you guys hanging in a few minutes here. Going for those highs. This is looking okay. So a couple scenarios, just to recap. We don't want the same thing that we got yesterday with like that little clean. Clean that. That it builds a lot of liquidity through there, but it's not ideal because we still have lows below us. And you likewise don't have this, and the 113.7 is an important level. But even if we did get something like this, be prepared for a retest on all of that, and like on value area for this whole range. And I'm gonna extend this. I mean, it's looking pretty nice right there with holding that point of control and weekly VWAP, previous month point of control now. Outside of value, we just completed our full rotation. We opened outside previous day value area. It rejected off of PDEQ, which is a consideration when you are looking at those 80% setups. 80% setup is highlighted by this indicator, nice little green, bright green value area margins. But once it reclaimed, moved up to previous day point of control, rotate all the way to previous day value area high. That's a 80% setup that played out completely. Little responsive pullback, but we have so much weak highs above. I'm guessing that S&P is recovering. No, not even. Not even. If we so be mindful of a clean and, you know, starting to trade back inside here. This is a setup, especially if it's a swing fail. Just kind of, you wait for your candle closes, right? Be careful about a bounce kind of around here, really all the way down to the point of control. And that's not that big of a range. It's like $300. So coming up and down like this, it's probably like the 382. That would be something to think about. You might get a failed auction up here. But if this happens and it tucks back in, it'll give you enough to put stops at break even, or, you know, to trade it responsibly if you're like trying to be aggressive with it. And if it comes back and like kind of shows strength to come back outside, that might be like, you know, your bullish retest on this whole 3-day consolidation. I'm not market longing this. We're breaking here. If it were to roll over and lose, trade back inside the range, you do have a good low. So, you know, value area low, developing point of control, VWAP, all areas of interest are pretty close to one another with that regard. So start late spending time down here. I wouldn't just automatically anticipate it to roll over. But the 110.637 to the like 109.320, all of these mark bad lows. Collectively, that's all bad, and then you add that in there. There's a lot of liquidity right below this, and then the 107 is a bad level too. So if things get really nukey for some reason, things are looking good right now. But if things are getting nukey, you know, kind of consider those two areas for potential cleans. Yeah, BTC dominance. Yeah, I didn't put him on the chart. We looked at him though. Cage. Yeah, it's looking like it's got a bigger one at 67 or 66.95, and yeah, that's our biggest one. And then like 67.55 or 66.55. I was opening it up, I think, on my boomer chart, and it was not. Then I got sidetracked. Exclamation Boo Gammas, exclamation YouTube, exclamation dashboard. Check out all of the tools that we are using. Their Juice, exclamation Coinwise, Juice up on the. I think that they still have some of the free trials for their pro indicators of things that we're using here. Real nice. This is levels. This is TPO and PVP. It combines several indicators in one. It's got, for levels, it has VWAPs and it has other levels. You can have session splits, all built into one. TPO PVP is able to do session splits also and do custom timeframes. And then it shows volume and TPO levels. It's pretty juicy. It's actually really juicy. I love it. And then like one of the most amazing things about it is the unique visualization of single prints unlike any other indicator for TradingView. I'm not the salesman, I am just sold on it. I love it. I love it. Being able to see it all in one place on any asset is juice. Yeah, and then that doesn't even like talk about the order flow, and I don't even have all the order flow or all their extra little shiny toys. Net longs and shorts, CVD, they got RSI, they got all kinds of things. Relative volume, they have buy and sell volume, open interest, and they can aggregate also. Let's get those Boo Gammas for you, Cage. Yeah, big shout outs. Big shout outs to Buzz, Husty, Cage, Cyper, Chauncey, Tiggy, MGK. Shout outs Coin Nerd. Did I miss anyone? Big shout outs to Kimba. Big shout outs to Reddy. Dev Team. Gypsy. Toddler. Big cheers to Anatomy. How are you doing, bud? You juicing? Nifal, welcome to Lion King. Let's go. Big shout outs Calling Noob. Yeah. I'm gonna try not to break the stream tomorrow morning. We'll make it 3 in a row. Tomorrow will be 1 in a row that I didn't break the stream. It actually was like not me breaking it, I don't think, because I did the same thing that usually is part of the startup protocol. Have you I forget what car it is. It's like the it's like an old alpha or something, but it startup sequence like the Valkyrie. Aston is like that too. You might have seen a video on it, but you had to like do like a whole like airplane fucking startup procedure that you had to do like 10 different switches and key turns and fucking knob pulls. And yeah, we're pulling knobs up in here. Higher high, monthly VWAP. By the way, I'm Biddy. 6650 and 6620 cage are the biggest. And then above us, the major call wall is like 6685, even though it's like a consolidation between all of them. Yeah, you gotta have your volume down below. Yep. Yes, sir. Yeah, I think, did I say 6685 was the call wall? But it's like 6675 to 6690 or something. And then 6700, like for all expirations, was the big one, 6705. So pretty much everywhere. Let's go. Shoutouts to the longers. Shoutouts to the people that got filled on this, or got filled on the reclaim. Yep. I know, I was like fixing to get out of here 10 minutes ago, and now it's like, now they do it. He reaving. It's hard to leave because I like want to see this. We had plans. We had plans. Ooh wee. Oh, cancels. Save it. We got to see what everything's going on over here. ES is hoeing. And CME is going for it, maybe. Hit him with the D. Our gap is like almost $2,000 above us, so it could take some time. S&P, Lord of mercy. They're getting ready for our monthlies on Friday. I don't want to see that. Yeah, big cheers to everybody. I really am not able to see this whole move. Anatomy, you doing okay? Doing a little better today? Are you juicing? Make it back, brother. Keep up the grind. Are we gonna clear 2 single prints at once, or is it like I maybe suggested that clean one, maybe pull back off the second? That whole like group of single prints. I don't even think that this is actually a single print right here. Technically they don't form in the initial balance, only afterwards. But is this the open? Yeah, so that's okay, I think. I don't know, I don't want to like move the chart. Gap, gap, gap. Yeah, the gap's like 2K though. The gap's like all the way up to here. 600, and it's like you gotta consider the premium on CME. Yeah, that was a good cleaner candle that we had overnight. Shoutouts to the Asian traders. Asia session. Probably West Coast. US was getting a little bit. Juice and vibes, we elevate. Let's go, Busalo. Let's go. I hope you get it. I hope you get it. Is it juicing? Is it going back for the 36 again? We kind of looked at some projections for it. Yeah, it's cognitive. Let's get that juice. Ace. Yo, Hitman Gucci. Much love. Big cheers to you all. Yeah, we got our plans. I'm Tort. Let's go. Yeah, Mark. Big cheers. So Guru. Thanks for sticking with our little hiccups. I think we have a pretty good read on things, even if I can't work a fucking computer. Yeah, I got a little bit above us in the heat maps. Get like 900 Bitcoin up to like 114. Exclamation YouTube, exclamation BTC Live. Yeah, you can see a little bit of that. Juice, 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 juice. Bugatti, Bugatti, Bugatti. Who juicing? Bugatti. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Those of you missing the super hella excitement. Math, math, math. We talked about this. Watch the highlights. Exclamation rewind. Watch the highlights. Uh-oh, hot dog. I know, I miss it. Cachoya. Math, math, math. It's just math. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Here's the best one. It's too easy! It's too easy! Rig out. You gotta rewind. Cachoya. We don't know. Shout outs to you, Regal. Exclamation Latuche. Gotcha! Yeah, quit playing with me. There we go. Show me you know what you're doing. We planned for this. We've been talking about this for days and weeks and months. Dude. Flow Phantom. Yeah. I know, I know. Get his goofy ass. These Banance longers. Days and weeks in advance, yup. We've been talking about this. You didn't see the stream from 10 o'clock 3 months ago? Yeah, much love, KIMBA. And a lot of us have spent a lot of time here. Yeah, it's too easy. That's like, if you don't know what's going on and you hear that, you're like, fuck me. Like, dude, it is not this easy. Yeah, his energy levels are insane. Like, I need to get some of that coffee. Much love, Kimba. And he's identifying the levels like a fucking master. Yeah, the market makers are definitely sniping him. Yeah, he's a Jedi master. And it's a lot of fun, a lot of entertainment. I know that I'm boring. Just look at things differently. I'm just tired, boss. I have fucking 2 young kids. Like, Kimba doesn't have any kids. Like, that's a big part of it. I like barely get like an hour stretch of sleep at a time. It's so gnarly. Chicken milkshake, much love. Cage wins. Ascentis. Let's go. Yeah, Hitman Gucci. Bobby Toxic Pedals, Man Like Spice. Paul. Big shout outs to everybody. Yeah, we're gonna see if we close outside. That's a good sign. Close outside value. We have a minute and 5 seconds. And I'm gonna trigger the outro. Thanks, Latisse. It's 2 different vibes, for sure. For sure, like, at least y'all hopefully don't get too triggered or like worked up and emotional if things start like going crazy. We haven't really gotten that much volatility on stream, but still, like, we talk about a lot of this, and really we don't talk about much else other than just pointing out levels and possible reactions. Kimba does that a lot as well. Yeah, you crack it with Tourette's, I know. I'm trying to throw in some Tourette's on you, but yeah. Evian, how are you? Made some good scouts? Let's go. Time for the gym, Lahoosk. Oh yeah, Chab Superstar, quit playing with me. Don't be Mario's, we got the hyenas cackling in the background. Nice little single print closing outside of value. Above monthly VWAP, that's nice. Partial trade in the single print, that's looking good for potential fill. If we start to close down, back down below, you know, just be mindful at the New York 12 o'clock of a potential 4-hour swing fail. But this is not a swing failure right now. You might get a failed auction up here. But we talked about potentially retesting previous value for point of control if it pulls back. This is a nice little breakout. We got increase in volume. Stopped out some shorts. A little bit of longs TPing. Let's just check EXO really fast one last time before I send it. Gotta find where it is. There we go. This thing like needs to get reset. Oh, big shorts at the top. Yeah, we'll see. No top longers. No top longers on Bybit. But that's a nice little volume spike. I wouldn't call it a volume spike, but it's an increase in volume. Here's your relative volume. Looking alright. Maybe Band-Aid. Big cheers. Ari Toto. Oh, man. We're just sending it off. Ari Toto, I hope you have a great day. Yeah, we charted a lot of things. So if you want to rewind on the YouTube, you'll be able to catch anything. You want to see anything like before I send it off. I stayed longer than I was planning to, even as it is. Jay Becker, much love. Insistence, Yanthro. Shout out to PSG. PSG stand up. Insistence, much love. Chab Superstar. Ace, mad love. Don't be mad at me. Jesse Pinkman. Yeah, big cheers to that. Thank you. Thanks for the nice words, Sazamir. Yeah, I'm a little self-deprecating, but I just want to be humble. I'm so humble. Shout out to that movie. That thing was funny too. SML Whoopi. Have a great day. Ari Toto. Check out PSG, y'all. Yeah, the real juice goes on there. The real nerd out grinds. Oh, bummer, Airtoto. Well, you needed the sleep. Tomorrow's the big one, and I'm gonna be here earlier. Exclamation dashboard. Check out the exchanges. Check out the stream schedule. Tomorrow's gonna be juice. We're gonna come in early for GDP and unemployment, and then there's a viewing party for the talent show tomorrow night. Got some big things coming up in the next few weeks as well. It's gonna be juicy. Yeah, exclamation Discord, exclamation dashboard. Shout outs to CoinWise, much love to you. And thank you for the beautiful indicators. Can't wait to see what else you have in store for education, indicators, trading journal question mark. I hear rumbles. We get a bad high now. S&P, is it? Well, if Biddy's able to do this and S&P is pulling back, then you know what time it is. What do you look for when S&P bounces? Yeah. And they got bad lows also. Yeah, they're supposed to have one that they have in the works, I hear. Dre Trader. Yeah, I don't know when, but they're developing one, I hear. Yeah, and it should be juicy as hell. You know, you got some lions giving their feedback with them, so it better be good. The indicators are fucking unreal, so you know we have high expectations. Yeah, I love it. So keep an eye out, try out the indicators, exclamation CoinWise. Yeah, they still have their deal on plans going on. Yeah, it should last a little bit longer for that, but like don't wait until you miss it. That's a bummer. For trading journals, Trey, nah, I just kind of do it in sheets right now. I'm doing it like old school style, but Coin Market, man, I think was a pretty good one for a little while. I don't know if that one's still a thing. Yeah, I'm like kind of got all my hopes on the CoinWise one. I'm really excited about that. There's some good ones out there, and like I'll just like do it manually. Yeah, I mean, I know the team is working really, really hard. It's not going to be a rug, I know that. Yeah, it should be good. They got some good dudes over there. Smart people. Yeah, big cheers. Calling Noob, much love. Dre, I hope you're juicing. Check them out. Ask questions too, like if any of you are like curious about, like I don't have any like knowledge of it or whatever, but yeah, if you have questions about the indicators and stuff, I'm playing with them a lot as well. So, you know, here, PSG, I know that they're juicing on it. But I'm always down to chart. I'm a big chart nerd, even if I can't sit here all day lately. Yeah, I love talking about it. I love like just having some extra edge. Of course, we're looking at ETH and it's not breaking out. Bitcoin, is that pullback retest going to happen, or is it going to accept back inside? Yeah, I actually wanted to do this. Is it going to come back inside or what? Or is it just going to be a retest of our level through here? Yeah, you probably want to hold this. If it gets all the way back down here, you might even just bounce from the single print and like not close the whole thing. Might even just like wick below VWAP, monthly VWAP. Castillo, oh brother, Good morning. I hope you have a great day. I'm like signing out right now. I've been trying to sign out for like the past 20 minutes. I'm sorry. We talked about some juice though. We like really charted a lot of stuff. I gave everybody my daily dose of juice vibes. Just in paying homage to the king. And you know, we're gonna be here early tomorrow. Early exclamation dashboard. Yeah, GDP, unemployment. It's like our big news day of the week tomorrow. So let's get it. Let's grind. Be responsible. Juice up. If you don't use a stop loss, Sato's gonna slap the shit out of you. Aritoto, juicy juice. That's right. Yeah, the YouTube, we charted a lot of things. We got some levels identified, kind of some like potential reactions to anticipate. And then you like don't trust like just solely based on what I have, but maybe you can get some ideas from it and come up with your own kind of plans from it. But I know what I'm gonna do and what I'm waiting for. And y'all follow your plans also. You know, you have nobody to blame but yourselves if you don't follow your plan. Catchway Shiba, I don't have access to like hardly anything. Aritoto, I know we need to like get all that stuff, but I think that's on like KIMBA's his stream deck or something. Yeah. And actually, this is how much faith that he has in me. He sent me a stream deck and I don't know how to fucking use it. So I need to like work on that. I just haven't had time to like program it to like settings that I want. Yeah, but I have it set up. Like I just need to like mess with it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, like one of these days, maybe I can go in like the highlights and just like snipe the little Catchway Shiba. Yeah, big cheers to EC. Shoutouts to PSG. Much love to all the mods, admins, developers, and the entire team. Big thank you to Six Sierra. Goated for that 200 subs this morning. Making it rain in here. Much love for that, brother. That will go a long way to supporting the community. Much love. That was amazing. And then Danny Balat. Let's go. Big cheers. Big cheers for that. We had some new follows from Kism and Golfing. Rutsy, welcome to the community. XLR coming back for a resub, 38 months. Mr. Mooncake, shout outs to you. TJ Choppa, following, welcome. GG, thanks for the resub. We had a Juiciest hype train. And JV, thank you for the gifted sub. Liam, resubscribing. Maybe Band-Aid. Vladimir, giving out some subs. Much love for this. And maybe Band-Aid again. Welcome to Ada Delphi. Six Sierra. Big cheers. Jamaica. Burgix. Let's go. Only 10 months, Burgix? 12 months total. Big shouts to Danny. Big shouts to Six Sierra. Such juice. He juicing. Danny juicing every single day. Yeah, just seeing. Calling noob. Much love. Thank you. Thank you for everything. You're always grinding up in here. Big cheers. Happy 420. Curvies. Always. I'm going to be here as much as I possibly can until I'm not wanted or Kim Beasy returns. Hopefully both don't happen at the same time. I don't even know if that made sense, but I'm going to be here grinding and giving everything I can for y'all. Much love, and thank you, Baratina. Kimba Lion, yeah. Henry Gamer, Kozar, Sebs, Cage, Husty, Ready, Cyper. Let's go. Much love to YouTube. Bobby Taxit Pedals, Man Like Spice, Nifal, Blaze Alec, Castillo. He's on workcation. Castillo. He's on some kind of workcation, locked in, juicing up. Hopefully, when he returns, he's going to have some amazing stories and things to share. I'm sure that he will, knowing the man. Right? Blaze Alec, Fredward, let's go. ResQQ, Cyper, much love. Shout outs PSG. All right, big cheers to everybody. Have a great day. Juice up. And I'll catch you next time. Yeah.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, Dre's gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind.